In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. When you finished, you can click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set Aside Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply To and decide where you wish to apply it. Finally, hit Apply at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!